Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello. Today I'm making chicken taquitos. I am going to start by cooking my chicken breast in the pressure cooker for 10 minutes, and I just fill it up all the way till I cover the chicken, then add carrots, celery, a piece of onion, and chicken bouillon, 2 teaspoons, because we're gonna save the broth for another day, and garlic. You can also use fresh garlic, and stir everything together. Now I'm just going to let it cool down, then shred the chicken. The tortillas, I just warmed them up in the microwave until they were soft. Then I added the chicken and start rolling them up. Now I'm just going to brush them with a little bit of avocado oil and shove them in the air fryer, like so. And I will cook it for 400 for 8 minutes each side, or until your liking. Just remember to flip them halfway. And this is how it looks at the end. Then the toppings is all up to you, or you could just eat them however you like. And enjoy!